It's hard to imagine the hot days of summer without the cold and delicious ice cream, but have you ever wondered who invented it? In today's video, we will answer your question and reveal to you the inventor of ice cream, so stick around to find out. If you are new around here, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, so you do not miss any of our new videos. Also, feel free to follow us on social media, links in the description box down below. A kind of ice cream was invented in China, about 200 BC, when a milk and rice mixture was frozen by packing it into snow. We also know that Alexander the Great enjoyed snow and ice flavored with honey and nectar. During the Roman Empire, Nero Claudius Caesar, AD 54–86, frequently sent runners into the mountains in order to gather snow, which was then flavored with fruits and juices, forming some sort of ice cream. Over 1,000 years later, Marco Polo returned to Italy from the Far East, with a recipe that closely resembled what is now called sherbet. Historians estimate that this recipe evolved into ice cream sometime in the 16th century. England seems to have discovered ice cream at the same time, or perhaps even earlier than the Italians. But until 1800, ice cream remained a rare and exotic dessert, enjoyed mostly by the elite. Around 1800, insulated ice houses were invented, and manufacturing ice cream soon became an industry in America. Ice cream production increased because of technological innovations, including steam power, mechanical refrigeration. Ice cream became an edible morale symbol during World War II. Each military branch tried to outdo the others in serving ice cream to its troops. Did you know that Americans celebrated their victory with ice cream? They consumed over 20 quarts of ice cream per person in 1946.